Hi, this is Mike Wagner, VP of Marketing at Catch the Best. Catch the Best is a easy-to-use web-based applicant tracking solution for those involved in the hiring process. I'm going to cover just some of the features and functionalities of Catch the Best, and to do that I thought we'd walk through actually creating a position. I'm going to go ahead and apply for that position, and then we're going to walk through some of the feedback and collaborative functions that those involved in the hiring process would be using. So I'm just going to go ahead and log in using my Catch the Best logins information. And you'll notice it takes me to my company's Catch the Best dashboard view. And right now we have a test position open, which is a commission sales rep. This dashboard view gives me an overview of all the open positions we have, and or any archive positions that have been filled or are no longer available. You can see that there are 7 total submissions for this position, and it also gives me a quick snapshot of some of the activity surrounding this position. But I'm going to go ahead and create a new position. I'll create the position that I have, VP of Marketing. I am going to include a brief description. Location is here in Seattle. I can also enter in any pay information or tax term information if this is a contract position, as well as upload any supporting documents or applications that you want the applicant to fill out. Below that, Catch the Best allows you to better optimize your position for search engines by entering in keywords or meta descriptions. For instance, Catch the Best is a on-demand software solution. So somebody with a working knowledge or experience with software as a service might be beneficial. And below this, as the admin, you can control who, as part of your team, you want to view this position. Right now, the default is set for everyone, but you'll also notice that you can select specific individuals as well. So I'm going to go ahead and just save this position. And it takes me to the position overview, VP of Marketing. It also creates 2 unique identifiers, one a email address and the other a submission URL. These are for tracking purposes. There's a job description, any other details, and any other supporting docs if I had uploaded any. And regarding tracking, we can actually add another source. For instance, if you already knew that you were going to post this job to CareerBuilder and want to track what submissions actually are coming from CareerBuilder, you can click CareerBuilder there, add source, and when posting to CareerBuilder, you would include either this email address and or unique URL that allows Catch the Best to actually track where that submission is coming from. So I'll just go ahead and click on the URL as if I was viewing this description in CareerBuilder, and it pops me out into another screen that I, as the applicant, can then go ahead and fill out. And I will paste a cover letter. I'll actually upload an old resume of mine and apply. Application complete, and I will go back to the Catch the Best site and go back out to the dashboard view, and in that view you'll notice that there's not only a new open position, but since I also just applied for that position as well, there's also one total submission. So we can drill down further into this position by clicking on it. And here you'll notice all of these submissions for the VP of Marketing position. Right now it's just myself, who I submitted or applied for 1 minute ago through Career Builder, and myself being somebody involved in the hiring process, I want to learn more about this applicant Mike. I can drill down further by clicking on the name, and I can view all information about this particular applicant. Cover letter, resume, or any other supporting docs that this applicant has uploaded, and also what position this applicant is applying for. And if it is my role as the decision maker to screen or to phone screen or to interview and base a decision upon, I can take that action and go ahead and vote after. For instance, in this case, I'll go ahead and vote a thumbs up for myself and say Mike seems like a good fit. I'll go ahead and save that comment and that vote. And now down below Mike's profile, my comment has been saved for others to see. And these comments, the admin does also have control over who else can see the other comments, and or who can see the tallied votes before they actually vote themselves. And then you have the ability to actually edit your vote and or your comments. Some of the other features, for instance, if I have interviewed this applicant, I can go ahead and change his status. I'll say, for instance, to interviewed. You'll notice instead of new, his status is changed to interviewed. If I want to reach out to somebody else in the hiring process for another call of action, for instance, Ben, notifying Ben that it's his turn to chat with this applicant, I can go ahead and do this to the site. Go back to the dashboard. So that is a quick overview of some of the features and functionalities of Catch the Best. Feel free to try it yourself.